Now paper number 36. Now in this 36, question number 1. 63 and 4005. Yes, tell me how to represent this one. Now 63. And what is the square of 63? And 63 square is 3969. Now 3969. And here, how much is the difference here? 45. 45 means how much is added? 36. Then, why 36 is added to this one? The reverse of 63 is 36. Square of this one is added to the reverse of this number. And similarly, 19 square, 361. Plus how much to be added? 91, because reverse of 19 is 91. 1 plus 1 is 2. Then what is your answer here? 36 plus 9, 45. Choice 3, question number 1. Clear? The square of this number is added to the reverse of this number. Then coming to question number 2. Now in the second one, Manju is the maternal grandmother of whom? Ankita. Now Manju is the maternal grandmother of Ankita. Then Manju is here. And maternal grandmother of Ankita means that is Ankita's mother's mother. And they get them? Ankita's mother is here, mother's mother is Manju. Manju is the maternal grandmother of Ankita. Kaveri is the daughter of Shashi. And now this Kaveri is the daughter of whom? Kaveri is the daughter of Shashi. And this Shashi is, and Shashi is the husband of Rekha. Now this Shashi and Rekha are married to each other. And Shashi is a male and Rekha is a female. And this person is Kaveri is the daughter. Kaveri is a female. And Ram is the maternal grandfather of Ankita. Maternal grandfather. Maternal grandfather means Ankita's mother's father. Mother's father, who is that person? Ramu. That means this Ramu and Manju must be married to each other or not? Yes. And Ramu is the maternal grandfather of Ankita, who is the sister of Kaveri. Now this Ankita is the sister of Kaveri, and sister Kaveri is here. And Kaveri's mother, who is that person? Rekha. And Rekha is here. If Rekha is here, Rekha is married to whom? Rekha is married to Shashi. Saripena? Then how is Ramu related to Kaveri? Now Ramu is Kaveri's mother's father. Mother's father is grandfather. That is choice 1, question number 2. Then coming to question number 3. Now Raju have few pens to be distributed. Now if he keeps 2 or 3 or 4 in a box, he left with 1 pen. Isn't it? That means now either with 2 or with 3 or with 4, he will be left with 1 pen. And if he keeps 5 in a box, that will be what? With none. And then what is the minimum number of pens he distributed? Minimum. Now it must be a multiple of 5. Among this multiple of 5, there is only 1 number given, choice 1. Multiple of 5, there is only 1 number. There is no other number. And if there is one more, multiple of 5 is given. Then we need to take the LCM of these 3. Now 2, 3 and 4. What is the LCM here? 12. Now 2, 3, 4, 12 వస్తే మనకి ఏమొస్తుంది చెప్పండి? 12 into 2, 24. అవునా కదా? And 12 plus 1 మనకి multiple of 3 రావట్లేదు కదా? And 24 plus 1, it is a multiple of 3. Then multiple of 5. Hence 25 is the number we have. 24, if you divide this 24 with 2, then if there are 25 pens, if you divide this by 2, 1 will be left over. 3 to divide చేస్తే 3 8 24, 1 will be left over. And 4 to divide చేస్తే 4 6 24, 1 will be left over. Isn't it? And so what is the number we have? 25. Then question number 4. 6, 60, 95 and so on. And 6 and 60, what is the difference between these two? No, difference is so much, 54. And next difference, 60 and 95, 35. 95 and 140, 45. 140 and 180, 40. And next one, 180 and 216, 36. Then if you check out these numbers, 54, alternate. And differences, among the differences alternate, 54 and 45, minus 9. And 45 and 36, minus 9. And similarly here, 35 and 40, plus 5. Next one, 40 plus 5, 45. And 45 plus 16. What is the number here? 261, choice 2. Sarvendra? Among the differences, alternate numbers are following a particular pattern, minus 9, plus 5, plus 5. Question number 4. Then question number 5, my fifth one, Japal. What is your answer in this one, fifth one? Now, we need to arrange all these words in a dictionary order. Dictionary order, tell me first which comes first here? and PRE, P comes first, isn't it? PREP, that is 2 is the first one. And after these 2, PREP, A, next end I will and PRES, 2, 1. And after this 2, 1, then what is the next one we have? 2, 1, PRE, next I next one is C, and so 2, 1, 5. 2, 1, 5, this is ruled out 3 and 4. And the next one after this one is Prince, and it's 2, 1, 5, 4, 3, choice for question number 5. And sixth one, there are some 7 friends in a row and sitting in a row watching a TV serial. G and B are sitting at the extreme ends. Now how many people are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And G and B are at the extreme ends. As G and B are at the extreme ends, and what are the different possibilities? If G is here, B will be here. Or if B is here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now if G is here, B is here. Then, hence G and B are at the extreme, only D is in between A and C. And F is seated to the immediate left of B. F is to the immediate left of B, F is here, this case is ruled out. F is to the immediate left of B, and is to the immediate right of F is to the immediate right of A is here. If A is here, D is sitting between, only D is in between A and C, hence D is here, C is here. Only D is in between A and C. Then, who is the person left over here? A, B, C, D, E. E is the person here. And who is sitting in between D and E? Ma D ki E ke madhya avaru na cheppandi C. C, that is given in choice 1, question number 6. Then 7th one, P stands for what? P stands for multiplication, Q is subtraction, S is addition, and R stands for division. Ante kada? Then which of the following equation must be true? Then among the given choices straightly, let us start with the first one, 7 and S. S means 7 plus 56, and P stands for into 2, and R stands for what? R stands for division. Ante kada? Then 7 plus 56 into 2, and 2 divided by 28, then it is 1, 14, and 14 into 4, and 7 plus 4 is 11, that is choice 1. Question number 7, choice 1. And 8th one, 100% naturals are herbals. 100% is nothing but all. All these naturals are what? All naturals are herbals. And 50% means some of the herbals are ordinary. And 0% is no ordinary is duplicate. And ordinary and duplicate are completely different to each other. Then first one, 99% herbals are not duplicate. That means some herbals are not duplicate. Now, some herbals are not duplicate, as of now it is true. 100% duplicate are naturals. Duplicate and natural cannot be intersected like this. Then what is your answer here? Then 1 is there. Now 1 negative conclusion kada. Negative em cheyali? Alternate diagram. And ee conclusion kanisam okkasarina false avutunda ledo try cheddam. 99% herbals are not duplicate. In order to make this one false at least once, now we need to prove all herbals are duplicate. All herbals are duplicate. Is it possible to draw all herbals are duplicate? Then my diagram of duplicate must be like this. Can I draw duplicate like this? Why? If we draw like this, then no ordinary duplicate will become false, because some ordinary or duplicate will be true. Hence, it cannot be false at least once. Alternate diagram cannot be drawn. This will be true forever. Hence, what is your answer? Only 1 follows. Question number 8, choice 1. Then next, coming to question number 9. Now, N and K. What is the difference? -3, -3, -3, E -3. 5 minus 3 is what? 2. Second letter is B. And last letter V minus 2T or P. And P minus 2 is what? N. Now, B and N are the terms we have. That is choice 1 is the answer. Question number 9. No need to check out the remaining at all. And numbers 25, 7, 10, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5. 14 plus 5 is 19. Sarpena? And question number 9. Then coming to this 10th one. Now in these type of, SSC lo manaku the speed peragalante, what is the only criteria we have? Elimination of the choices. Not only in reasoning, quant lo chala useful adi. Eliminating the choices. Then coming to question number 10. How many persons are there? There are some 7 persons. And each of them are of different heights. Now 7 persons are of different heights. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now the question is about what? Who among them is the shortest unknown? Then, and C is shorter than only G. As C is shorter than only G, tell me where should this C and G? C ekkada undali? C 7th place lo, G 6th place lo undocha? Ekkada undali? Yes. G is taller than only C ante appudu ila rayali. కానీ ఇక్కడ ఏమంటారు చెప్పండి, షీ ఈజ్ షార్టర్ దెన్ ఓన్లీ 1%, బట్ హీ ఈజ్ టాలర్ దెన్ ద రిమైనింగ్. హెన్స్ అందుకే ఓన్లీ పడినప్పుడు యూ షుడ్ టాక్ అబౌట్ ద రిమైనింగ్ యాజ్ వెల్. నౌ షీ ఈజ్ షార్టర్ దెన్ ఓన్లీ జీ. జీ కన్నా మాత్రమే వీడు పొట్టివాడు, రిమైనింగ్ అందరికన్నా పొడుగువాడు. కనుక జీ ఎక్కడ ఉండాలి? అండ్ షీ ఈజ్ షార్టర్ దెన్ షీ ఈజ్ హియర్, జీ ఈజ్ సరిపోయిందా? షీ ఈజ్ షార్టర్ దెన్ ఓన్లీ 1%, దట్ ఈస్ జీ, and he is taller than the remaining 5%. Then next one, she is shorter than only G. Number of persons taller than B equals to the number of persons shorter than D. Hence B and D, number of persons taller than B, same as D. Neither A nor E is the shortest. A cannot be the shortest, E cannot be the shortest. And at the same time, G and C cannot be the shortest. Avuna kada? And B and D, can any one of B and D can be at this place? Undasa? Why it is no? Because if B is here, then D must be at the first place. Or if D is here, B must be at the first place. Hence, which is not possible, B and D cannot be here. Out of the 7 persons, these 6 persons cannot be at this place. Then who is the only person? F is the shortest. My very information kuda manaku avasaram ledhu. Done? And the question is about shortest. Now we need to just identify the shortest rather than the entire arrangement of all these 7 persons. Then coming to question number 11. Amma 11th chesara? Now the code for bridge. Now sir, number is 7.5. It is neither a square nor a cube. Then directly we need to go for the place values of the letters. What is the value of B? 2. And R, 18. I, chapaliga, 9. D, 4. 7, 5. 2 plus 18. 20 plus 9. 29 plus 4. 33 plus 45. Now 45, how do you get 7.5 with the help of 45? Divided by how much? Divided by 6. Why are you dividing the sum by 6? Because the letters in the word bridge is 6. And sum divided by n. మన క్లాస్లో డిస్కస్ చేసాం sum plus n, sum minus n. Now this is sum divided by n. సరిపోయిందా? Then in the same way fish. What is the value here? 6 plus 9, 15. 15 plus 8. 15 plus 8 is how much? 23. 23 plus 19, 42. 42 divided by 4, 10.5. And in the same way merchant. Now you need to find out the code for this merchant. మనం చెప్పండి ఎంత వస్తుంది? And 13 plus 5, 18, 18 plus 18, 36, 36 plus 3, 39, plus 8, 47, 47, 48, 48, plus 20, 68, 68 plus 14, 82. 82, how many letters are there? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 82 divided by 8, and 10.25 choice 2. Done? Question number 11. Then 12th one. Amma 12th chesara? Amma cheppandi ela vastundi? And 9 square plus 8 square. 9 square is how much? 81. And here, and 8 square is 64. 81 plus 64 and the 145. And how much more is added? 17. Then how do you get 17? Sum of these two. And that is 9 square plus 8 square plus 9 plus 8. Saripinda ledha? And similarly 11 square. 121 plus 36 plus 11 plus 6. 11 plus 6 is how much? 17. And 121 plus 36 is 157 plus 11, 168 plus 6, 174. And similarly 8 square 64 and 169, 13 square plus 8 plus 3 is 21. 9 plus 1, 10 plus 4, last digit is 4, choice 4 is the answer. 12th one. Then coming to 13. Amma 13 chesara? Now C. What is the value of C? 3, 2 and 6. Now with the help of this we need to get 9. Ante kada? I value 9 kada? Then 3, 2 and 6. So how will you get 9 here? 3 plus 2, 5 plus 6, 11. What is 11 minus 6? Teeskundam. And sum of all this minus 2 and teeskundam. Then L, J and E. 12 plus 5, 17 minus 10, 7 రావాలి. 7 ఎక్కడైనా ఉందా లేదు? That means it is not the case. Then 3 into 2 into 6 ఎంత చెప్పండి? 3 into 2 into 6 and 6 into 6, 36. Now 36, 3 plus 6, so 9 తీసుకోవచ్చా? Some other is. Let us take a chance. Now L, J and E. L ఎంత 12. And 12 into 10 into 5. And 12, 120 into 5. ఎంత వస్తుంది? 600. Now 600, 6 plus 0 plus 0, that is F, F is choice. Then, clear? Then 13th one. Then coming to this 14. Now in this 14, now each of the letter in the English alphabet is assigned with a numerical odd numerical value beginning with A. A is 1, B is 3 and so on. Then what will be the total value of P, U, V, F అన్నాడు. మా చేశారా? మేము ఎలా చేశారు? What is the value of P? లెటర్స్ అన్ని రాసుకుని నెంబర్స్ రాసుకున్నారా? తెల్లవారిపోతుంది అలా, అవునా కదా. నౌ A, B and so on. A, B, C, D, E, F. Now what is the value of A? 1. This will be 3, 5 and 7, 9, 11. Now F is 11 అన్నాడు. F11 ఎలా వస్తుంది? What is the value of F? 6. And 6, 11. 6 and 11 how can I express? Into 2 minus 1. And E value ఎంత? 5. 5 into 2, 10 minus 1. D value is so much? 4 into 2 minus 1. Now 3 into 2 minus 1. That means the place value of each letter is multiplied with 2 and 1 is subtracted. Minus 1 అలా చేయొచ్చు కదా. Then P value ఎంత? 16. 16 into 2, 32 minus 1, 31. And U value ఎంత? And 21 into 2, 42. 42 into 2, 42. 42 minus 1, 41. And V, 22 into 2, 44. Minus 1, 43. F, 6 into 2, 12 minus 1, 11. Then 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 plus 3, 6. And 3 plus 4. మనకు ఒకటే కదా ఉంది. 126 choice 4. Done? అవి ఇంతేనా, ఇంకే విధంగా ఏమైనా చేశారా? Yes? Next one. మా P value ఎంత? 16 కదా. And U ఎంత? 21. V ఎంత? 22. F ఎంత చెప్పండి? F is again 6. What is the sum of all these? 6 plus 1, 7 plus 2, 9 plus 6, 15. And 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 6. Now 65. And 65 into 2. Now 65 into 2 ఎంత అయింది? 130. ఎన్ని లెటర్స్ ఉన్నాయి? ఒక్కొక్క దాంట్లో -1, -1, -1 చేసాం. And 65 into 3 into 2, 130 minus 4, 126. అంతే, ప్రతి దాంట్లో -1 చేయాలి. 4 లెటర్స్ ఉన్నాయి, we need to subtract 4. And sum of all these into 2 minus the number of letters, 14. Then ఇలా మళ్ళీ ప్రతిసారి చేయవలసిన పని లేదు. And coming to this 15. మా 15th one చేశారా? And 15 you need to go through the choices only. There is no other alternative to these type of questions. Then tell me what is your answer in this case. 172. And interchange అన్నారు. Now plus and division 13 and 172. Now 13 and 172 if you divide here, now this would be 172 and this is 13. Isn't it? Then అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది చెప్పండి? 5 divided by and plus and division. ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ అయింది. And ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది? ఇక్కడ డివిజన్ అయింది. Now if you take this one 5 into 4, 4 divided by 5 into 4. ఏమవుతుంది చెప్పండి? No. Perfect number వస్తుందా? రావట్లేదు. And choice 1 is ruled out. Choice 2. And 172 and 2. Now 2 is coming to this place, 172 is going to this place. Then what is the other one? Plus and division. Plus and division. ఇక్కడికి ఏం వస్తుంది? డివిజన్ వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడేమో ప్లస్ వస్తుంది. ప్లస్ వస్తే ఇక్కడ ఏమేమి చెప్పండి? 172 into 5 plus 13 is much more than this number itself. And that is again ruled out. Choice 3. 172 and 13. Now 172 at this place, 5 divided by 172 మనకు వచ్చే ఛాన్స్ ఉందా? No. That is again ruled out. Then choice 4, 13 and 2. Now 13 and 2. Now this is 2 and this is 13. అంతే కదా. Then what is the symbol we have? Plus, division and minus. Now this is minus and this would be division. 172 divided by 4. ఎంత వస్తుంది చెప్పండి? And 43 plus 20. 43 plus 20, 63. Now here 13 into 5, 65 minus 2, 63. Hence what is your answer? Choice 4, question number 15. And 16 చెప్పండి. Then 6.25 into 2, 12.5 into 2, 25 into 2 into 2 into 2. And 6.25 into 2 is so much? 3.125, choice 3. Then 17th one. Now in this 17, GRAVYS. Now this GRAVYS, and what is the code here? DUJVB. DUJVBY. ఇంతే కదా. Then what is the code to the word spread? SPREAD. And what is the code to the word spread? Then tell me any answer to this one. మరి చెప్పండి, చేశారా లేదా? Now G plus 3. G plus 3 ఎంత వస్తుంది? J. J is here. R plus 3. A plus 3. Now plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 and the first half letters were reversed. And similarly V plus 3 Y plus 3 S plus 3. సరిపోయిందా లేదా? And similarly S plus 3, 19 plus 3, 22. And P plus 3, 16 plus 3, 19. 18 plus 3, 21. And 5 plus 3, 8. 1 plus 3, 4. and D plus 3G. USV GDH. USV GDH choice 4. 17. Then next coming to this 18th one. Now in this 18, Nigeria is given. Now if you observe here, I is there at the first place, 3, 4, 5, 6. I is there at the 6. First, second and the sixth places. Now second and the sixth places, the same letter is repeated, same symbol is repeated, which implies that the letter and the codes are directly given. And then, what is the code for ginger? Now GIN. GIN, now this power hash at the rate of. Power hash at the rate of, now we are left with this one. And power hash at the rate of. And GER. GER, these three letters. These three letters, again power dollar question mark. Power dollar question mark, this is ruled out, choice 2 is the answer. 19th one, it is choice 2. Then coming to this 19. 19 chesara? Now in this 19, now sequence of these letters, how many letters are there all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. All together we have some 18 letters. Now this 18 can be written as 3 into 6 or 6 into 3. Now if you divide this one into 3 into 6, 3 letters, here the first letter is A, here the first letter is L. Isn't it? That means the first letters are not matching. Hence it cannot be 3 into 6, hence it is 6 into 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. First letter, A. Ikkada kuda manaki em avvali, A and S are the first two letters. AS, AS. ASP is there, ASP LR. ASP LR. And ASP LR. ASP LR last letter is X, X and X. And switch term is repeated, ASP LRX, ASP LRX and so on. And what are the letters that are missed out? P, AS, L, X, P, R. PAS, LX, PR. PAS, LX, PR, choice 3, 19. Then 20th. Now 20 lachometer and so on. Which of the following is used to measure humidity? Now humidity is what? Hygrometer. Now hygrometer is called rain gauge. Rain gauge is choice 1. Each call means then we need to go to the next one. Other means is the backward. 20th. Then 21st. Now in this question number 21, now this is based on mirror image. Mirror image chesara leda? N left hand side on the left extreme. And N must be right extreme. Right extreme ekkada N is at this place. Then this is A. And this is H. Meeraitila rayoddu. Go through the choices only. Done? NAHA, NAHA, R. R is regular. NAHA, R, IA, choice 2 is the answer. Clear? 21st it is choice 2. Then 22nd. My 22nd, now it is dice. Opposite to A annam. Chesara opposite to A? Now here in this one, what is the letter? A, we need to find out opposite to A. And what are the elements we have? A, B, C, D, E, F. Are the 6 letters we have. Among these 6 letters, now in the first case, if you observe here, first die. In the first dice, D and F are adjacent to A. As D and F are adjacent to A, can D and F be opposite to A? Opposite a chance D and F is ruled out. Now to this A, B and C are adjacent. As B and C are adjacent, B and C cannot be opposite to A. And A cannot be opposite to A. What is left over? A and E are opposite to each other. Hence, what is your answer? Choice 4, question number 22. The remaining 4 are adjacent to A and only one is opposite to A, that is choice 4E. Then, the next one, question number 23. Now in this 23, embedded figure. Now in this embedded figure, tell me what is your answer here. Without any rotation we need to have. My elevation. Now this is the element we have. Then we need to have a cross. Yes, we have a cross as well. And to this cross, we need to have a parallel line. And choice 1 is ruled out. Then coming back to this one. Now this is a line we have. Now to this line, we need to have cross. Cross that is again ruled out. Now to this one, do we have a cross? Cross choice 3 is again ruled out. Then coming to this choice 4, choice 4 answer avutunda ledu. Now in choice 4, where is the line we have? Line ekkada undi. Ikkada manaki diagram lo paper lo clear ga undi. Paper lo this is the line we have. Ante kada? Now from here, and the line is like this, and there is cross. Now cross allows, this is cross x. And after this, a parallel line and followed by these two straight lines. And so what is your answer? Choice for question number 23. Then 24th one. Now in this 24, and study the teachers, females and married. And what is the number of female teachers? Female teachers means now we need to take all the females and as well as teachers. Teachers means this group and who are not married. That means now we need to have unmarried female teachers. Unmarried female teachers means we should not have married. They should not get married. And this circle is ruled out. Circle in this end. Now we need to have the region that is common for only triangle and rectangle. Ee renditliki common ga unnadi emundi 11. 11 as you run. Close this one. Meer exam lo chestunnapudu ila close cheyali. On the screen I cannot close this one. Circle no okasari close cheyandi. And if you have closed this circle like this, amma circle ila close chesam. Circle close cheste remaining rendu figures ki common ga unnadi e region 11 is there. Then a knot anedi meer close cheskunte saripotundi. Then coming to this 25. Now in this 25, now paper folding and paper cutting. Now in this paper folding and paper cutting, children allow folding. First, the paper, water image, half of the paper was folded from bottom to top. Next one, again, the further half is folded. Kanaka paper lo, this is 1/4. Anagad, this is 1/4 and this will be half. Now, ikkada nunchi ikkadiki em avutundi cheppandi. After folding 1/4, now we are opening this one. Kanaka ee corner ki em ravali, this must be here. Idi paina undi kabatti top. Ikkada kindaki ravali. This is second figure. Now, ikkada nunchi ikkadiki em avutundi? Water image. These four elements must be repeated once again. Kanaka these two, ikkada ela ravali? These two are circles. Anagada, if you draw a line like this, these two are circles. And at the same time, idi ekkada ravali? At the top. And so this must be at the top and this must be at the bottom. Saripenda? And so what is the answer we have? Choice 4 is the answer. Clear? Now this is about paper number 36, reasoning section.